Software engineers, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be looking at a to-do list app that I developed in React.js and Node.js. So React.js, I use it for the client side and Node.js for the server side. So it does the create, read, update, and delete. And I can say like task one. When I press on add task, it has task one. You can delete the task, you can change the task. I was just working towards putting a create button, but instead for demo purposes, I just made this one. You can be able to just change the name in real time. So, and also delete. So you can say task one. There's a task one there. Task two. Do a task two there. You can do a task three. Can say wash the car. Say wash the car, clean the roof, clean the roof. Yeah, then clean the roof and staircase. So this is a to-do list. I use to-do lists on a regular, especially when I'm just organizing my day. But this one, I just decided to go ahead and just see if I can develop it and also see if I can be able to code it in Node.js and React.js. So this is just a starter project for anyone who is going into Node.js and React.js. So I used React.js for the client side, as I said, and React.js for the client side and Node.js for the server side. So I created a detailed README which showed like the steps into which I thought about this whole thing, and also just how to set it up. So initially, create the directory, to-do list, a to-do app. I did that. Did the installation of dependencies. I'm relatively new to React and Node.js, so I make sure just to heavily look at this and just heavily comment it. And I came across this command. So it's an npm init with a y flag. So it's a shortcut for initializing a new npm package in your current directory. So npm init starts the npm package installation process. So people who are not new to Node.js, they're able to understand what this one does. And this is a y flag that tells when you're doing the installation process, it just skips the interactive questions. Then in the installation of packages, I use this command. So there's npm install express. So I used express for the backend. So express is a popular framework for building web applications and APIs in JavaScript. So I used that one. There's the body parser. So this middleware, passes the incoming request body and makes it accessible through the required body property. So then also the course. So these ones were the packages that you're going to be able to need so that you can be able to realize the whole application. Then create the simple express server, which I'll put the source code to this in the description box, but it's just basically creating like API endpoints that we're going to utilize, especially when it comes to like just coding this whole thing. So let me just scroll on here to the API endpoints that were actually something that I found them entertaining to develop, because in JavaScript, relatively new, but transitioning from another programming language to the other is not that difficult, as long as you understand the basic data structure and algorithms and how to follow your logic. So create the NPI endpoints for the put. You can see for the put there, this allows you to be able to input data. There's the delete, and there's the tasks that allows you to add tasks in there. So did that for the backend. Then for the front end, create also like an app.js file, basing just just basically just utilizing the organization structure for a JS project. Then yeah, just put in there's a fetch task there. Yeah, set it to localhost 5000, and this is what enables you to be able to like see things in the browser, and also added some CSS in there. So I'll leave the links to it in the description box. And it was just fun being able to just develop it, and look forward to more projects of this nature coming through your way. And I just said, let me just make a video talking about this, because this is actually one of those projects that I did, and I was able to like finish them in like it took a very short while to be able to achieve this. And I'll look towards just just building as much as I can. So if you guys like the video, make sure to leave your feedback down in the comments on what you think. And I'm out. Peace.